In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the free transform tool. So first of all, you want to load up your image into Photoshop. Now the next thing, you need to go over here and make sure that this is not checked. So click this here. Now you want to do Control and T, and that will bring up the free transform options. Now there's a ton of options you can do from here. So first of all, you can resize it like this. Now this will stay in proportion, as in the dimensions will stay the same, like this and this. The same ratio, as long as you have this locked up here, which means it won't stretch. So you can make it smaller like that. Boom. Now say you want to make it stretch, you can uncheck this here, and then you can drag it down. See, it's stretching, or you can drag it up to stretch it longer. There are different situations you might need this in. This is probably not one of them. Now the next thing you can also do is you can flip images like this around here. Now say you've got it here but you can't get it perfect. See, there's a couple little lines there. You can go up to the top here. Wait, let me undo this. You can go to the top here and you can change the angle you wanted to do. So if I type in 180, it's going to flip it exactly upside down. Now, other things you can do here, you can click this and this will scale it up and down in the center of the page. And that's pretty much all the options you can use for free transform. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe and comment down below that it worked. Thanks for watching.